In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a workspace in Asana. While Asana doesn't offer a one-click way to move an entire workspace, you can migrate your work by moving projects from the original workspace into the destination one using Asana's built-in CSV export and import tools. This approach preserves your core task data and structure, and it's straightforward once you know what to expect. Think of a workspace as the container, and projects as the building blocks inside it. Since there's no direct move for the container, we move the building blocks. Keep in mind that CSVs capture task details like names, descriptions, assignees, due dates, and sections, but they don't carry over task comments or some formatting. Attachments and advanced automations also won't transfer through a CSV. Start in your original workspace by opening the project you want to move. From the project's header menu, choose the export option and select CSV. That download is your snapshot of the project's tasks and fields. If your project uses sections or columns, those are represented in the CSV so the structure can be rebuilt later. Before you leave the original workspace, it can help to quickly review the CSV to see the column headers and make sure the data looks complete and readable. Now switch to the destination workspace. Create a new project and choose the import option, then select CSV and upload the file you just exported. Asana will guide you through a simple mapping screen where you tell it what each column represents. Match task name, description, assignee, due date, and section to the appropriate fields. If you have custom fields available in the destination project, you can map those columns too. Dates import most cleanly when they follow a standard format, and assignees need to be members of the destination workspace. Otherwise, those tasks will come in unassigned, which you can fix after the import. Once the import completes, Asana will build your new project with the tasks and sections in place. Take a moment to spot check the result. Are your sections in the right order? Are due dates correct? And are the key tasks assigned? Because comments and certain formatting don't transfer, this is a good time to paste in any essential context from the original project description and reattach important files directly to tasks. Repeat this export and import process for each project you want to bring over. For a smooth migration, consider testing with a small project first, keeping the original projects as a temporary reference until you're satisfied with the new setup. That's all there is to moving projects between Asana workspaces using CSV.